thanks again for coming back. This is Michael Crafter here with WingCrafters, where we got the best recipes for the whole lockdown. As long as it may last, we're definitely going to eat good, okay? So today we're going to do the spicy orange wings that I promised on Facebook, and everybody's been asking me to show them how to make those wings, okay? So let's jump right into it, okay? First thing we're going to need is our chicken, of course, right? Then we're going to need, different from the previous videos, we're going to need melted butter instead of hot sauce. We're going to just change the dynamic of the flavor palette a little bit, okay? So we're going to put our melted butter here over the chicken, okay? And remember, we're going to have our oven preheated to 350 degrees, so we're going to cook our chicken at 80% done only, because we're going to finish them in the grease, okay? So let's go ahead and set them in the oven. And we'll let those cook before we're back. All right, and now it's time to take the wings out of the grease, okay? So now we're going to take them out of the grease, place them in a bowl. Now they're crispy and they're ready to take on whatever flavor you put on them because of the heat on them. So you want to be sure to place whatever sauce, butter, or seasoning on the chicken when it first comes out of the grease. It's very important for the flavor, okay? So now that we have our chicken right here out of the grease, what we have here is, we have the orange sauce, okay? Now I use Panda Express. It's a very good brand and it really, really does taste very good. That's the one I would use, but use the one that you want to use. But this is what we have, as well as a little bit of melted butter with it, okay? Just to enhance the flavor. Now we're going to go ahead and put it on the wings. And now we're going to go ahead and take an orange, fresh orange. We're going to slice it. We're going to get some of that fresh orange flavor on those hot wings and the hot sauce. And we're going to merge the citrus juices and the acids together naturally. Okay? Now we toss the wings. They're all covered. Okay, and you're going to start smelling that orange citrus coming out when you toss them. It's going to be great. Trust me. Now we're ready to plate the wings. Okay. Now I'm going to plate them. Right here. As you can see, they smell delicious. They smell great. Out of sight. And that fresh orange is just hitting your nose as you eat them with your mind before you even taste it, right? Then we're going to take our leftover sauce and just drizzle. Just a little. Okay. Drizzle that. And now, there you have it. Spicy orange wings, but we can't forget the garnish. We're going to take this leftover orange here. Now, the way that you want to garnish it, you can take a whole, or you can do it like I'm going to do. Take a half, plate it next to it, and there we have, ladies and gentlemen, spicy orange chicken wings. Thanks for joining us, and I'll see you next time.